Adventure team, Scott here. Happy Cinco de Mayo! Woo! We're actually going to do this during the COVID time. So it is Taco Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo, Takeout Tuesday, coronavirus, all sorts of madness happening. But that's not going to stop us. One of the top things you have to do in Santa Barbara is go to Milpas Street and try the different taco places. We're going to try 5 because it's Cinco de Mayo and see who has the best tacos on Milpas. Because it's the COVID time, masks on. 1 carne asada taco and 1 al pastor taco, please. Okay. Thank you. Gracias.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you.
Claro que sí. Sí, señor.
Alright, first one up is the taco truck. Happy Cinco de Mayo! Alright, so good standard taco is $2. Taco truck, and you really can't. I mean, it's just salt. Best way to scare off the coronavirus: drink a Corona. Add lime. Next up, the Bien Gusto tacos. So just to recap, I got all asada. Alfred got all al pastor. Steak, marinated pork.
I like this one. This one had a lot more flavor and it was a little bit more spicier. With that said, I just enjoyed it a lot more.
Claro que sí. Sí, señor.
The bakery. So my thoughts on the bakery is you can tell it's from a bakery because there's a lot more emphasis on the shell, the tortilla rather than the meat and everything else. If I got that taco in like New York or Connecticut, I'd be pumped. In California though, a little bit higher of a standard. I mean, it's a mid-range taco for me. Los Altos arriba!
Sí, señor.
This one was a lot better than the last one that we had. This one, actually, the corn tortilla was a lot better on this one, but the meat was pretty standard in comparison to other tacos that I've had. The taco Pipeye! Breading or the corn shell was a lot more texturized to me. That complemented the actual taco. So for me, there was a little bit more flavor.
The best tacos on Milpas, and we have our winners for Al Pastor.
The best Al Pastor taco that I've had tonight was Bien Gusto. Had the best tasting meat, the best seasoning, and the best taco shell out of it.
Best asada? The taco truck, Taco Rico! No. So that means it's time. We've calculated them. the best taco on Milpas of the 5 we went to on Cinco de Mayo. The taco truck, Taco Rico! And honestly, I'm not really that surprised that I would like the taco truck the best. Alfred also, big fan.
Big fan of that taco truck.
We go there a bunch, so we had already known it. But also, my experience with getting tacos is usually like, sometimes the taco trucks just pump out the best because that's all they're doing is just taco, 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 taco. So if you're on Milpas Street in Santa Barbara, please let me know what you think as far as the best tacos that you've had. You can find some more pictures on Sheahen Exploration. Also, remember to like, share, subscribe. And until next time, remember to eat more, then explore more. We'll see you later, guys.